So since I am thinking of using that, and then it should be like this. The back aspect, this is actually what I'm trying to make progress on. But this is actually what I'm trying to make progress on. But God, like this back aspect is very complicating. I have been thinking what I should do, because I've actually made some progress there with this kind of iron. So I do not like how the body shape looks like. So that is actually why I'm trying to upgrade with this, because this is actually more bigger in size than this. Though this one is actually more thicker than this, but this is actually more bigger in size, and it will actually, it will actually match with the frame of the project. So actually this is what I think about of doing. You can see actually the frame is more okay than before the actual before one, and so this one actually will remain the bending aspect. I really think everything will actually be okay with this type of frame. So now, like, this is the image I have been using for the illustration and for the guiding of it. You can see this is the image I have been using for the illustration and the guiding of it. So currently I am at this stage. So this is what I'm thinking of doing, and it seems so complicating. Before I can actually try to get this place, I need to get the real door measurement, the length of the door, before I can at least bend this type of iron. I actually need to find from this place to this place length, the door measurement length. Before then I will still have to get the height of this place to this place. So that will actually give me the measurement I am looking for on the project. When I made the research for the door actually says maybe 39 inches, and also I saw somewhere it says 55 inches. But for me, that 55 inches is too long for what I am doing. So I am going to I'm going for the 39 inches, the 39 inches in length, because I think that will actually be the perfect measurement for what I'm trying to do. So now, since I'm trying to make the door 39 inches, I have come to a conclusion that my measurement will actually be 39 inches. And so let's try to measure 39 inches. So this is actually 39 inches, and I really think it is correct. It is almost correct with this. So I am still thinking of leaving this. I'm thinking of leaving this one. I just have to weld the bended iron, the iron I bended. I'll just have to weld it on it. Maybe it's actually going to give me that back aspect frame, So actually you can see I am done with the front aspect frame, and now the back aspect frame is what I'm trying to achieve on this project. So now, since like you know, you have to work and also you have to play, you have to have fun a little bit. So now we are trying to play at least a table tennis massage. Okay, so now I am like, I haven't played this. This is actually not a table tennis though, it is bench tennis. You can see this is one bench and also this is the second bench. So in plural form it will be benches tennis. So this is actually a benches tennis we are trying to play, not a table tennis. Okay, so now I don't know how to play, so my version play. Do you know how to play? Okay, yeah, let's try. Draw. $25. No. Woo. 21.5. $24.7. I suck at this. At any sport, I don't even have any sports. I don't even know any sport I have with that. Why I'm so bad? I am so bad. Is that a win? So I think this is how it will look for the back aspect. You can see for the Ferrari, like for the back aspect of the Ferrari, you can see how curved it is. So that is actually what I am trying to achieve here. So now let's try this. Let's try this now, and then let's try to put this. So for it like this, I'm thinking it is too low. You can see, maybe isn't it too low? I think this is too low. So I'm going to be like giving it more height. I'm going to like, you know, I'm going to like adjust the height to be more higher. So, and also for here, I'm still trying to figure this out. Like, I'm still trying to figure it out, how it is going to look. You know, as for the Ferrari 488 GTB. So maybe it is going to be more higher, or it is okay like this. I'm still like trying to figure that out. I'm still trying to figure that out. So finally guys, I am so sad right now because I have already planned that I am going to like finish this back aspect today. Like I have planned until this welding machine, like until it spoiled my plan today, because it actually spoiled my plan. Like when I was welding and it decided not to work again. Like I am so sad currently. I'm so sad right now, and everything seems so complicated. So I think I'll be taking some break on this for now, actually, because currently the welding machine is not working again. No, I need to like repair it,